I spotted those photo cubes at Dollar Tree again, so I decided to grab some for a quick winter craft. I'm using 4 of them. I remove the inserts from them and then place them back together. I'll be creating a border on each side, so I have to use some masking tape and tape off the different sections, about 1/4 of an inch. I start by taping these sides off and painting them with Dusk color chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. So I paint them all the way around on both of those ends. And then when that's dry, I'll tape off another section until I have the border completely covered in that Dusk color. After I have the borders painted and they're completely dry, I separate the 2 pieces, and I'm taking some of this white mesh and just cutting a small portion of it and kind of folding it onto itself, putting it in one side of the cube and then placing down the other. And then to keep that into place, I'm adding some super glue on either end where the 2 pieces meet, and then just holding that into place until it sets. I do that with all 4 of them. I then am taking these wood letters I got from Hobby Lobby. They are 1 1/4 inches, and I paint them with that same Dusk color. And I wanted to mention that the cubes themselves are about 2 3/4 inch wide. So after I have those painted and dried, I'll be taking this acrylic nail brush that I got from Amazon. It has a little stylus on one end. I dip that in white acrylic paint and just make dots throughout those letters. After those are completely dry, I take tacky glue and I brush that on the back of each of the letters and place 1 on each cube. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.